Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an amazing video because today I'm going to upgrade the tail light from type 1 to type 3. Now I will show you all the process and in the end I will disclose the price. So watch the video till end guys, it's going to be amazing. So guys, to remove this tail light you have to remove the screw. There will be a screw, big screw. Okay, so this is the screw. Yep. And for this new tail lamp you have to purchase a new screw guys. I'll just show you the difference. Guys, so this is the new screw. Okay, you can see the difference. This is the new one and this is the old one. This is long because this is for the new tail lamp. And guys, if you are upgrading to the type 3 tail light, this harness will be required. Okay, so this is very important. This is the harness, type 3 harness. If you don't have this for the type 1 Polo, then it will be hard to fix the type 3 tail lights. So this is very important. Yeah, so we are checking the proper connection of the tail lights, where the indicator works, where the brake light works. Yep, this is the smartest way.
This is parking light. This is indicator.
Yep guys, it's fitted. Fog lamp is on now. Okay. So guys, finally it's fitted and this is going to fit now. It's working perfectly. So guys, finally the work is done. You can see it's the 2022 tail light and it's fixed properly. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the price. The tail light costed me 7,000 rupees. For your information, it's not a new tail light, it's a used tail light which was in a very excellent condition. So it costed me 7,000 rupees. If you're looking for a new type 3 tail light, it will cost you around 14 to 15,000 rupees. And if you are converting from first type 1 to type 3, then you will be required a connector as I showed you in the video. So the connector and the long screw which will be required as you saw in the video. So two things will be required to install two type 3 tail lights. If you have a type 2 Polo, like after 14 after 2014 onwards, like 15, 16, 17, 18, whatever these models are there, then no need for the connector, only the screw will be required. Okay, so overall, it costed me the connector costed me 4,500 rupees, and the tail light costed me 7,000 rupees. The screws, two screws, costed me 500 rupees. So around I have spent 12,000 rupees, to the tail light, to install the tail light, including all the accessories. Okay, people used to install Audi Q2 style tail lights. So it will cost, if you are looking for any Audi type tail lights, that is the aftermarket tail lights, that will be cost you around 10 to 12,000 rupees. There you no need to get any connectors and all. You will be get connectors including the tail lights. So yeah, I want to keep my car in a stock condition. That's why I change it to the Type 3 tail lights. The Type 3 tail lights is looking really amazing, guys. I personally like the tail lights. That's why I change it to Type 3. And from where where I bought the tail lights, Mr. Manoj is there from VAG Guru. He helped me to get the tail lights. I really want to thank him a lot. He's an amazing person he's also a founder of the Bangalore Polo Club, who helped me a lot to get the tail lights. So I really want to thank him. And Mr. VAG Pro, who helped me to install the tail lights. I really want to thank him as well. You can contact both the people if you are looking for any kind of accessories. So I will add their Instagram IDs in the description, so you can contact them. So that's it, guys. In my last episode, I have installed the spoiler. If you haven't watched the video is available on the screen now. Watch it and wait for the next episode. The next episode is going to be an amazing episode. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.